I have 4 things in 5 minutes. Point number 1, 2 tips on any person that is wanting to get into property investing, what I believe you should know. Secondly, live online classes. Thirdly, a new series that I'll be starting. And fourth, but certainly not least, I'm having a huge giveaway. And if you stay until the end of the video, you will go through these 4 aspects in 5 minutes and also understand how you could stand a chance to win one of 3 spaces of an advanced property investment course together with 2 free coaching sessions with yours truly. Welcome to my channel. My name is Genevieve Stafford Jack. So the 2 tips that I promised you. Tip number 1, if you are interested in property investing, what I would love you to do is sit down and write out a plan. What is it that draws me to property investing? And what do I want to achieve from property investing? You know, oftentimes people go into it and say, I want to make money. But the how is, are you going to be doing flipping so that's an active income? Or are you going to go towards rental strategies, which is a passive income? So write down your plan on what is it that you would like to achieve from property investing. Tip number 2, emotions. If there's anything about emotions, I know very well when emotions are high, intelligence is low. And what do I mean by that is that when we get so wrapped up in, I must earn money in the next 30 days to pay my bills, property investing is not your answer. When you get caught up in, work is driving me insane, I hate this boss that I've got going on, or potentially I just don't like the environment that I work in, our emotions wreak havoc here, all up in here, and we have this internal dialogue to a point that we make decisions that are not rational, which then means our intelligence is quite low at that point because our emotions have taken over. And if there's anything I know is exactly that second tip. I was in the state of emotion extraordinary when I got into business, when I got into property investing. But you know what? I'm thankful to God that I have come back, but it was not without hurting myself and hurting people around me in the process. So I trust that those 2 tips really hit home and help you think, why is it that I want to get into property investing? Point number 2 that I really want to make today is next week I'm hosting an online training class. It's live from the 19th to the 22nd, each evening from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I'll be taking you through the getting started process within property investing, and the cherry on top is I'll also be running numbers with you in the last session, so you'll get the deal calculator as well as that particular session recorded so that you can always just go back and make sure that your skills are in check. In the description below, there's a link to that online training. The third point is I'll also be starting a new series. If there's one thing I certainly know is that sometimes we don't realize the power we have right here in our hands. We go to work, we do what we need to do at work, and we come back, but we don't really see the value of some of the skills that we are learning at work. The new series is going to really be all around understanding the internet. When you go online and you say, I want to make money online, understand what people do online to make money. Understand, is there a market for the things that you are after sharing with the world? And that series will be starting in next week. And fourth, but certainly not least, is the giveaway. Yes, the giveaway. I'm so very excited to share with you that on my website, I have got a number of courses. The course that is the most popular course is the advanced course on finding, analyzing, negotiating, and closing a property investment opportunity. This particular course goes with 2 personalized coaching sessions. Now, I have got 3 spots available just with you in mind. So in the description below, there'll be a link to the giveaway. It's a simple question that you need to answer, And if you would like to, you can have several more entries to literally buff up your chances of winning. On the 31st of October, right here on YouTube, I will be sharing who the winners are, and I will certainly contact them. I will actually go through into the system that I've created the giveaway with, and you'll see who has got the most points, and that is the person, those are the people that will win one of 3 spots for finding, analyzing, and closing a deal. And if you really like this video and you think, Jen, I'm in, it already starts now. I would love that you click on the share button so we can get this word out as far and wide as possible, but particularly to people that are interested in property investing, and for those that are entrepreneurs, coaches, and consultants that are really wanting to move their craft online